In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate OneNote into Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating on a group project or organizing your personal notes alongside your team's conversations, adding OneNote to Teams can significantly streamline your workflow. To start off, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, head over to the specific channel or chat where you want to integrate OneNote. This could be a team channel that you're a part of or a private chat with colleagues. This setting is crucial, as it will determine who can directly access the notes you'll be adding. Now look towards the top of your Teams interface and you'll find a series of tabs. Here, you want to click on the small plus sign. This sign allows you to add additional tabs to your chat or channel, effectively expanding your workspace with useful tools like OneNote. Doing this will open up a list of apps that are supported within Teams. From this list, you'll need to scroll through until you find OneNote. Microsoft Teams conveniently integrates with OneNote, allowing for seamless collaboration. Once you've selected OneNote from this list, you'll be presented with an option to choose an existing notebook or create a brand new one. Deciding between these options depends entirely on your needs. If you already have a notebook that contains relevant notes or information, selecting an existing one can save you a lot of time. Alternatively, if you want to start fresh and create a new notebook tailored to your current project or discussion, you can do that as well. After making your choice, click on Save to finalize adding the notebook. By saving it, you've now added the notebook as a tab at the top of your Teams channel or chat. This tab is your gateway to easy access of your notes directly within Microsoft Teams. You and any team members who can view the channel or chat will now be able to open and edit the notebook. This integration helps in keeping everything organized in one place and cuts down the necessity of constantly switching between different apps. Viewing and editing notes has never been quicker, and you'll find that this setup supports better collaboration and communication within your team. This integration is quite beneficial for managing shared notes, brainstorming sessions, meeting minutes, or even day-to-day team memos. By having OneNote right there, along with your conversation threads, your team can stay informed and up to date with all the essential information they need just a click away. Incorporating OneNote into Teams enhances productivity and creates a more cohesive working environment. Now that you've learned how to set this up, start maximizing your team's efficiency by centralizing your resources within Microsoft Teams. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Happy organizing!